Hi guys, welcome to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Kemer. We're taking a little walk around, show you what nightlife is going on around here. So we just got off the bus. We can take a walk down towards the harbour. Don't know if we're going down exactly to the harbour, but we're going down that way. It's quite busy around here at night time. Old fixed price shop. £2 perfumes again.
Yeah, this was the best one.
Paris shop. Little bridge. So yeah, it's about 9:45 at the moment on a Tuesday night. So we're going to go and find the football. Champions League starts soon. So I thought we could knock out a few videos for you guys quickly. Then we'll go and watch the football. Always a cat and dog in Turkey.
Şunu çekilin geliyor. Sonra bir şey ister misin marketten alayım mı?
So let's go and have a look over here, I guess. Got some bars, restaurants. Let's go and have a little look. Should walk straight down, but yeah, we like to go in different ways. There's also a skyline. You've got Babylon up there. It's quite big, Babylon. The old lights coming off Babylon. Yeah, backlights coming off Babylon. Music up there as well. Hookah lounge at the top. Restaurant at the bottom and middle. Oh, maybe we did go down the wrong way. A little fitness club there. But maybe we did go the wrong way. So yeah. Bon appetit pub, eh? You got the football on already? No. Thank you though.
Thank you.
No, we're okay. Thank you.
It's good though.
Yeah, look at the fish he's got in there. Look at the size of them prawns.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Very good. All fresh, yeah.
Yes, shrimps.
Yeah. Yeah, they're alive. Yeah, look at this.
Yes.
All alive.
Can't get any fresher.
Hello. Come, fish restaurant.
Thank you, yeah.
It's the natural fish house.
Anything more down there or just go back this way?
No.
Just go this way. Thank you. There you go, some prices right there. That's bon appetit. So yeah, let's keep going.
Yeah, Babylon Lounge looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Football.
Looks very cool up there. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, guys, because you guys got us to 5,000 now. So
Let's get us to 10.
let's get to 10. Yeah, next celebration is going to be 10,000. I think we're going to go up in fives from now on. So let's get us up there. But thanks you for all you subscribers that got us to where we are. and everyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. Remember to like the videos. Let's keep going. Got your boxes here. Boxes of perfumes. €1 perfumes in there. Well, imagine €2 perfumes and €1 perfumes. Couldn't imagine what was in them. Yeah, of course. Bit of camel's piss. Ooh, a bit more expensive here. 1 drop. Another bag shop. Leathers. Trainers. Someone told me they come out and they get loads of trainers. Can't remember who it was. But what are they like quality wise? Like, are they soft? Because I do a lot of walking and I need some soft trainers. At the moment I've turned into an idiot. I'm wearing Crocs. So they are more comfortable than my other ones. My Jesus sandals are now gone. They've been put into retirement. I've turned into a Crocs man. I don't think I've worn my trainers once since I've been here. One night out, that was it. Yeah. So you've got Sundays over there. You've got friends here. Yeah. Everybody likes a good friend. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they got me in. These guys are friends and Ishmael dragged me into their bar, give me a free drink. All the sweets in here, all the good sweets. Ice cream man. Get your SIM cards. Period collection. Best shoes. £20 dresses. If you like to wear dresses.
I've noticed different clothes, so definitely do change it for the season from when we did the Ishmael Marmaris.
Okay, so Sabrina saying there's brand new clothes, she's noticed. So I'm going to talk up here. This is Pirates of the Caribbean. Very cool bar. You've got a DJ, look, he looks like Jack Sparrow, and you've got a guitarist underneath him. Look at this guy, looks cool, doesn't he? He's got a guitar today. So yeah, everyone having a good time in this bar. And Pirates of the Caribbean. And you got the old, what is that in the background? It's water, what are they called? Put in the comments what it's called, I can't remember off the top of my head now. But yeah, what a cool little bar this is. Everybody enjoying themselves. What's at the back? You've got a little coffee shop at the back as well. Tattoo place. And yeah, let's keep going anyway, because these boys are banging the tunes out. Banging the tunes out. And you know what that's like, copyright, copyright, copyright. I've actually managed to find quite a size of it. Sabrina's laughing at him. Gah. I like to show you that they got clothes for everyone. Clothes for everybody. So you've got a cafe fast food area down there. Let's end you and start another one. So cheers for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the very next video.